To get a new BioLife card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine why you need a new card. Whether it is because your current card is lost, stolen, or damaged. If your card is lost or stolen, report it to BioLife immediately to prevent any unauthorized use. Next, contact BioLife customer service by phone or through their website to request a replacement card. You can find the contact information on the BioLife website or on the back of your most recent payment statement. When you call, be prepared to provide your name, donor identification number, and a detailed explanation of why you need a new card. After you have contacted BioLife, they will guide you through the process of obtaining a new card. This may involve verifying your identity and confirming your address. If you are requesting a replacement card due to a change of address, you will need to provide your new address and confirm that you are the owner of the account. Once your new card has been processed, it will be mailed to you within a few business days. You can expect to receive your new card within 5 to 7 business days. If you do not receive your new card within this timeframe, contact BioLife customer service to inquire about the status of your replacement card. It is essential to keep your BioLife card in a safe and secure location to prevent loss or theft. If you are having trouble with your card, such as it not being recognized by the payment system, try cleaning the magnetic stripe or contacting BioLife for assistance. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily obtain a new BioLife card and continue to receive payment for your plasma donations.